They say pictures speak 1,000 words, and clearly these pictures that are coming in from Varanasi do exactly that. Look at Rahul Gandhi atop a truck with the top leadership of the Congress party, not just that, regional leaders as well, going through the streets of Varanasi. This is not his constituency. This is Narendra Modi's constituency versus Arvind Kejriwal's constituency versus Ajay Rai of the Congress party's constituency. He's with him, Ajay Rai, to the left of Rahul Gandhi, as they wave through the streets of Varanasi with thousands of their supporters. It's clearly a sea of Congress as we see on the streets of Varanasi today. We saw a sea of saffron with Narendra Modi, we saw a sea of white with Arvind Kejriwal, and now a sea of Congress flags as Rahul Gandhi inches his way to the Banaras Hindu University campus. He'll be addressing his cadres outside the Banaras Hindu University campus, and clearly this has been an answer to many things. Number one, it's an answer to Narendra Modi for having had a campaign, or rather a rally in Amethi on the 5th of May, right before the May 7th phase of polling. Number two, it is an answer to all the others in Varanasi, the contestants, that Rahul Gandhi is there for his own candidate Ajay Rai. Number three, it is also to the larger cadres of the Congress party at large, the fact that Rahul Gandhi is not outside the game of what is happening in Varanasi. If there is Narendra Modi, if there is Arvind Kejriwal, then Rahul Gandhi will also be there. Our correspondents on the ground have been sending us these reports following the cavalcade from 7 a.m. in the morning when this entire show started. Let's listen in to some of those reports.
राहुल गांधी के साथ प्रमोद तिवारी कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता भी चल रहे हैं, उनसे पूछ रहे हैं काफी भीड़ आई।
मैं समझता हूँ कि ये अगर केजरीवाल और नरेंद्र मोदी की भीड़ मिला ली जाए तो उसके बाद दुगनी भीड़ है। आप देखो, खुद देखो अपनी आंखों। और ये स्थानीय भीड़ है, ये कहीं बाहर से लाई गई नहीं। नौजवानों का जोश देखिए। राहुल राहुल राहुल। मेरे ख्याल से आज सारे कैमरा चैनल वालों को देखना चाहिए कि ये यहाँ की लोकल भीड़ है। ये बनारसी हैं, ये काशी के रहने वाले लोग हैं, ये हर हर महादेव, ये गंगा जमनी तहजीब के लोग हैं, ये बिस्मिल्लाह खां की शहनाई को सुनकर आए हुए लोग हैं। आज राहुल गांधी के साथ और कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ ये चल रहे हैं।
It's the last day of campaigning in Banaras and a late surge by the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. This is where Rahul Gandhi's big road show, his answer to Narendra Modi, what he did in Amethi, the attack, the rule that Narendra Modi broke of going to the constituency of another big wig, that has been now given an answer by Rahul Gandhi. I am here outside the BHU. This is the Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, the famous seat of learning in this entire area. This is the hotbed of politics in the last few days. Narendra Modi's roadshow started from here. Arvind Kejriwal's roadshow started from here, and Rahul Gandhi, in an opposite, is starting his roadshow from Pili Koti, the minority dominated area, and will be coming here to Banaras Hindu University. For the first time in many days, you can see the enthusiastic Congress lot here. Already there are flags of the Congress party and all these workers, those who have gathered here. Let me just go across and speak to a few of them. आप यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, राहुल गांधी का रोड शो यहाँ पे खत्म होगा। आज आखिरी दिन है कैंपेनिंग का। आपको लगता है इससे वोटर आपकी तरफ झुकेगा या ऑलरेडी वो अपना मन बना चुके हैं?
ऑलरेडी मन बनाए भी हैं और झुकेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस है झुकने का।
लगता नहीं है कि लेट हो गया है? राहुल गांधी को पहले थोड़ा करना चाहिए था। नरेंद्र मोदी यहाँ पे पूरा ताकत दिखा के गए, अरविंद केजरीवाल इतने दिनों से कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं। जैसा कि कांग्रेस सरकार अभी 10 सालों में इतना विकास दे दिया, हम लोग आज इंटरनेट इतने आधुनिकीकरण में जी रहे हैं, तो ऐसा आज तक कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं की है। भाजपा है चाहे केजरीवाल कुछ नहीं। अगर केजरीवाल
इतना लेट क्यों आए राहुल गांधी?
ऐसा उनका लेट नहीं था, उनका प्रोग्राम ही लेट था। वो आएंगे और ये जनता को सबके बीच मिलेंगे। ये
जल्दी से मुझे बताइए कि कहीं लगता है कि राहुल गांधी सिर्फ जवाब देने आए हैं नरेंद्र मोदी का, जो उन्होंने अमेठी में जाके रैली करी?
नहीं, राहुल सरकार इस बार बनने जा रहा है। हम लोग पर बहुत पूर्ण बहुमत में जीतने जा रहे हैं।
Well, the Congress cadre here today, as I said, is very upbeat, is very positive, and they still believe that the Congress will do well. Rahul Gandhi's late surge, whether this culminates into some vote, whether it divides the minority vote and hurts the Aam Aadmi Party, that is something we'll only know on May 16th. But yes, another show of strength, another day of full color of political nature in Banaras. With camera person Sudhir Ankit Tyagi in Varanasi for Headlines Today.
As Rahul's roadshow cuts through the heart of the city and proceeds, Congress is trying to put up a good fight, a good show. We speak to Nagma, who is one of the star campaigners for the party. Nagma, do you think it has matched up to Modi's roadshow? Of course it has. You can see very clearly. People are waving at you. The star campaigners are also with Rahul Gandhi. It's a crowd full. Everyone knows that it's Rahul's rally today. Nobody knows that we are here today. So we are just here to keep the crowd pressed up and just to see our leader. So do you think that considering the response, it's clearly Rahul Gandhi all the way. It's his show and everyone knows that each person who's come here today is clearly comes for our leader Rahul Gandhi. So you can see there is Mahila Congress President also Shobha Ojha. We'll speak to her. Ma'am, lot of women power with Rahul Gandhi. So trying to pull up women crowd. See, Rahul ji is popular among everyone and he's been campaigning for women's power, women's empowerment. Naturally, the women of this country stand by Rahul Gandhi. So you know the women leaders twice stepped up and they say it is Rahul Gandhi's show and it is a hit all the way. And camera person Kishan Kumar is Washington Singh in Banaras for Headlines Today.
And as our coverage continues, on a day when Rahul Gandhi is holding this road show in Varanasi, the controversies also continue. Arun Jaitley, who has been leading the charge from the BJP along with Amit Shah against the Election Commission, saying that the poll panel is discriminatory. It has been discriminatory towards the BJP by banning one rally of Narendra Modi. Sharad Pradhan and Javed Ansari are with me in the studio. Sharad Pradhan, Narendra Modi's one rally was banned. Okay, he was given 4 other options. He was planning to do a Ganga Aarti. Then he takes a consensus of sorts, a referendum in a rally and says Ganga Aarti will not happen, to which several political parties have said this was purely a political program. He's taking religion and making sure that there is a political natak or tamasha around it. Why wouldn't Narendra Modi, you feel, not have taken the opportunity and gone ahead and done the Ganga Aarti?
I don't think there was he had any intention of doing it. They only wanted to hype this issue so that they could take as much political mileage out of it without actually doing anything. Modi has had plans to campaign in other places, because otherwise when the Akhilesh government clearly issued instructions to allow him to hold Ganga Aarti or whatever puja that he wanted to do, why didn't he go there? And secondly, they were given 4 options other than Benia Bagh for holding the rally. Instead of holding the rally, they decided to sit on a dharna, which clearly shows that there's a lot of difference between their actual intention and what they are claiming or projecting themselves to be doing.
Javed, doesn't this also indicate to some level that perhaps they wanted to put Narendra Modi's attention on the other constituencies, considering these 41 are going to be critical, and had this hype created over Varanasi and pretty much know that they won the game as far as
without his actually having to come there?
Yeah, I agree with my colleague here, Mr. Sharad Pradhan. There was more politics in this than religiosity. After all, as far as the Ganga Aarti is concerned, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal that very evening went and performed the Aarti. Nobody can, you don't need the government's permission to go and perform a puja or go and say your namaz. If you're going to stage a political rally there, that's when you need permission. And that's what permission for a political rally at the Aarti Sthal was denied, not for performing puja.
And our non-stop coverage continues here on Headlines Today, on a day when Rahul Gandhi is sending out several messages at the same time.